Hi, my name's Sam from No Rails Just Tales. I want to show especially new players where they can start in this overwhelmingly loaded world of TTRPGs and Dungeons and Dragons. D&D has a lot of content. There are 3 core rulebooks in 2 different editions. There are several starter sets, there are different modules, settings, expansions. It's no wonder new players feel overwhelmed. Today, I'm going to give you 3 clear paths. A free one, a budget-friendly one, and one that goes all in. And I'm also going to tell you where I would start if I was a new player now. Let's clarify on something. There are 2 versions. It's 5e, which people also refer to as 2014, and it's 5.5e, oftentimes referred to as 2024. Both good, relatively similar, and I'm going to quickly explain what the differences are. 2014 is an older version. There's a lot of content available for those rules. It still works perfectly fine. A lot of people swear by it. They are so used to it that they want to stick with it. 2024, it's better organized. It teaches better, so newer players get taken by the hand. This is my suggestion for beginners. They're both relatively compatible, so you can mix and match as well, but new content is made and designed for 5.5e 2024 rules. I'll provide a resource document which will give you links to both editions. But my strong recommendation is if you are new, go for the 2024 rules. Okay, let's start with the free way to start playing Dungeons and Dragons. You can do it completely free. You don't need to spend a single dollar. You have the basic rules available at no cost for both editions. It gives you the most important things of the player's handbook, the Dungeon Master's Guide, and the Monster Manual, a compact version of the core rule books, and they are completely free. So you can read about the game, you can learn how to play the game without spending money. You can download the character sheets completely free. You find links in the PDF I provide. Dice, you need dice to play, but you don't need to buy physical dice. There's apps. You can just check your phone to roll some dice. You can even type roll d20 into Google and it will bring up browser-based dice roller. If you use D&D Beyond, you can just roll dice just straight from your character sheet. There's no need to become a dice goblin just yet. Adventures. If you feel overwhelmed by the thought of creating your own adventures, you can download adventures for free and use them. There's free intro adventures on D&D Beyond. There is so many free adventures on the internet. I'll give suggestions in the PDF I provide. You can stick with those. Those are really great introductory adventures, especially the Peril in Pinebrook, which is written and designed by industry veteran Sean Mervyn and gives you a perfect introduction and teaches you how to play the game. The bottom line is you have the rules, you have characters, dice, you have adventures, you have everything you need to play it completely free. Just go ahead and do it. So if you want to tip your toes into the world of Dungeons and Dragons with spending a little bit of money, I really cannot recommend the new starter box enough. It's called Heroes of the Borderlands and it uses the new 2024 5.5e rules. It breaks things down and makes it so easy to learn the game. You will know what things mean after playing Heroes of the Borderlands. There's also starter sets for the older version, for the 2014 5e version, and they are great as well. Really good adventures, and that's all you need to buy. You have the most important rules, character sheets, pre-made characters, dice. If you want to put some money in, only buy a starter box. It's the best middle ground between the free path and what I would call the all-in path. And you will see if you like the game, and if you do, you can spend more money afterwards. If you feel like going all in already, then this path is for you. Buy all the 3 core rulebooks. They're available in the older version, 2014 5e. They are also available in the newer version, 2024 5.5e. Choose the 5.5e. So buy the Player's Handbook, buy the Dungeon Master's Guide, and buy the Monster Manual. And this covers you for hundreds of hours and you have everything you need. If you want, you can add a module of your choice and that's really up to you. You can buy those books digitally and physically. So if you buy them digitally, it's usually cheaper. You can buy them on D&D Beyond or on any VTT, but you're buying a license. You won't own the book. There's no PDFs to download. So if you buy the license on D&D Beyond and at some point D&D Beyond shuts down, you will lose your license. But you can start cheaper. If you buy it physically, it's a higher cost up front, but you have the books and you own them. And to be honest, I am a digital person and I started buying stuff digitally and I ended up buying the books anyways because I think it's so much easier to skim through. I find rules way faster than if I have to look them up on my computer, and it's easier to hand out the player's handbook to my players so they can look up rules themselves. You have to find out what's your kind of game. And then, as I said, optional, you can buy an adventure and some dice and then you're good to go. So if you feel overwhelmed, go back to the basics. Go to my PDF and look for the most important things and just start playing. You'll discover everything else as you play naturally. I made a free PDF which gives you links to all the resources I mentioned and more, to the basic rules, starter sets, adventures. The link to my Patreon is in the description and you'll find the free PDF on my Patreon, no cost. And if this helped you, think about subscribing. For now, have fun at the table.